Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name's Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday and Friday. And in today's video, I'm so excited because I'll be working with Seletica lenses once again to show you guys some of their best green colored contacts. You guys really seem to enjoy these videos, and I also feel like they're just super helpful for making informed decisions if you're interested in trying out some Seletica lenses. Previously, I did a video on their best hazel contact lenses, so I'll have that linked down below. But today we're going to be talking about green lenses, with some super bright striking options as well as some more subtle ones. So if that's something that you guys are interested in seeing, then definitely please keep watching. I will link all the lenses that I talk about down below, and I do have a discount code with them, Janelle in all caps, for some money off your purchase. It is an affiliate code, so if you do purchase from them, I will get a commission from them. But like always, I'll give you guys my 100% honest feedback. And yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing the best green colored contacts for brown eyes, then definitely please keep watching. So I got my Seletica box here. I love working with Seletica. For one, their products are absolutely amazing. They ship so quick, and I just find that their service is really good. They've always been such a pleasure to work with on my channel. So I'm excited to be doing another video with them. So I'm gonna start off with their more affordable lenses. They have this pack of, it comes with 10 lenses, so you get 5 uses out of them. And these are just their daily lenses. So it's the Aquarella One Day Beauty Contact Lenses. These are great for if you kind of want to dabble in and try out a lens before investing in their more expensive lenses. They look so realistic, they're so comfortable, you don't feel them on. And these retail for $28 for the 5 pairs, but with my code Janelle, you can get them for $25.20 to save some money on them. So these are in the shade Sea Green. I'm gonna pop these in. All right, so this is it on one eye. So this is what the sea green looks like on both eyes. This eye, I dropped the lens, so it kind of irritated my eye a little bit when I did apply it. But beside that, it's so comfortable on. They just feel so lightweight. I always forget that I have them in. So I'm just gonna awkwardly pose for a little so you can see the color. Alright, so these lenses I really like because these are my kind of green, where they are green but not too bright. So again, it's just a subtle change to my eye color. I also find that these look so natural, and again, they're just so comfortable to wear on. So these are definitely a pair that I will use a ton more. So moving on, I have 2 pair of Aquarella beauty lenses, but these are their 1-month lenses, and these come with a pack of 2 for $50. So they are kind of going back up in price. With my coupon code Janelle, you can get them for $45, but this is that next level up if there's a color that you like and you want to use again for the month, but you don't want to get their most expensive lens, but you still want it to look natural. This is a really good option, and the color section that they have in the 1-month Aquarella beauty lenses are really, really nice. Again, they're so comfortable to wear on. So the first pair that I'm going to try on is Amazonia Green. I have tried this color in the past and I really, really like it. I think it's so pretty. You see how natural this looks? And this is how they look on both eyes. Again, these contact lenses are so comfortable on. I really love the color of these two. They're a little bit brighter, but still not overpowering. So now I'm going to show you guys how they look in the sunlight. Same Aquarella monthly beauty lenses in Kambusi Green. It's either Kambusi or Kambuchi, I'm not too sure. And one thing I like to do so that way my eyes don't water is I'll always squeeze out the excess solution in the contact lens before applying it in my eye. These are bright. So these are way more of like a statement bright green. Next up, I'll be trying out the Soloflex Natural Color lenses in Esmeralda. So these Soloflex Natural Color lenses are going to be like a more affordable option of the regular natural color lenses. The two biggest differences are, one, the wear time. The Soloflex Natural Color lenses are a 1-month use, and then the regular natural color lenses are for a yearly use. The other difference will be the limb ball ring. The Soloflex Natural Color lenses will have a really dark outer limb ball ring, and then the natural color regular lenses have a more subtle dark limb ball ring. Both have a limb ball ring, just the Soloflex one will be a little more intense. Then the other difference will be pricing. So the Soloflex Natural Color lenses are $38 for both lenses, but when you use my coupon code, you can get them for $34, which is again a nice affordable option for good quality contact lenses that will look realistic, but for not a crazy huge price. So again, it's a nice way if you are interested in starting out trying some of the Seletica lenses before investing in some of the more pricier options. $38 for the two lenses. This one is in the shade Esmeralda. As you can see, it's definitely more of like a hunter green, so like the color isn't as bright, but to me it just doesn't look as natural on my eye coloring as I would like. But I will, like I said, leave a link to the video where I'm trying a bunch of other shades in their Soloflex Natural Color line. Alright guys, bear with me. Normally my eyes don't water, but for whatever reason this eye has been giving me issues all day today. Like even before filming this with my makeup, it kept watering. So now it's just watering like crazy and my makeup is just all over the place. So these are the lenses on both eyes. Again, the color is not my biggest cup of tea, but I'm going to show you guys how they look in natural lighting anyway. And also bear with how crazy this eye makeup looks right now. It's going to look even crazier when you see it in natural sunlight. So now I'm going to be trying out some of my favorite lenses of all time from Seletica, and these are their Seletica Hydrocore yearly lenses. Now these lenses are probably the most like brightest and realistic lenses. You have so many options from like hazels to really bright pretty greens. The ones I'm going to show you today are very striking. These lenses do not have that darker limb ball ring on the end, so it'll just kind of like fade into your eye. Really pretty and very subtly. You can get these lenses prescription or non-prescription, but these are their more pricier lenses. So if you're interested in getting these lenses, they're going to be $39 per lens. And I think the reason you get them per lens is because depending on the prescription you need for each eye. So it would be $79 for both of them. But with my coupon, you can get them for $71, which is still pricey. But I truly believe once you see these lenses, you'll just understand why. They're so pretty and you can use them for the whole year. I'm gonna start off with the Hydrocore lenses in Copacabana. I have not tried this color selection from them before, and I believe that this is their Rio Hydrocore line. Like, do you see how pretty it is? Alright, so this is how the lens look on both eyes. Definitely a bolder option, but they're so pretty. They just fade into the eyes so natural. I also find it crazy how it's able to completely cover my super dark eyes and give this a really pretty bright green finish. So next up, I'm trying out one of my favorite ones. This is the shade Ipanema in the Hydrocore lenses. These are gonna be so bright and striking. So if you really wanna switch up your look and you wanna try something bold and different, you would love this color. Like, do you guys see how striking that is? So now I'll be applying the Seletica Hydrocore lenses in the shade Buzios. So So these are really pretty. These are going to be like a darker hunter type of green. They kind of remind me of the Aquarella lenses that we tried earlier in the shade Sea Green. These are just a little more seamless. Alright, and I saved one of my favorites for last. I'll be trying out the Hydrocore Jade lenses. These are such a pretty bright green. These are going to be bright, not nearly as bright as the Ipanema ones, but still a bolder pop to the eye. So as you can see, definitely very striking compared to my brown eye. It goes on really intense. Alright you guys, and that wraps it up for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed seeing some of the best green colored contacts from Seletica. Like I mentioned, I'll leave everything linked down below, and if there's anything you're interested in trying out, you can always use my discount code Janelle in all caps for some money off. Let me know which lenses were your favorite. Love you all so much. I pray that you all stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!